top-rated robot mops for 2023. Robotic Cleaning Revolution. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the robot mop game and checking out the hottest mops of 2023. These bad boys are here to make your floors shine like never before. So buckle up and get ready for a squeaky clean adventure. iRobot Braava Jet M6. Kicking off our list is the iRobot Braava Jet M6. This beast is a true powerhouse when it comes to mopping. It's like having your own personal cleaning ninja. With its state-of-the-art precision jet spray, it tackles those sticky spills and stubborn stains with ease, leaving your floors spotless. And the best part, you can control it with your voice or through an app on your phone. That's right, you can be chilling on the couch, sipping your favorite beverage, and commanding your robot mop like a boss. Plus, its intelligent mapping technology ensures that it never misses a beat, officially covering every nook and cranny of your home. It's like having a floor cleaning superhero on your side. Say goodbye to those stubborn stains because this baby knows how to handle them like a pro. It's the ultimate sidekick for any busy bee who wants to keep their floors sparkling clean. Check it out using the link in the description below. iLife Shinebot W400. Moving right along, we have the iLife Shinebot W400. This sleek and stylish mop is all about convenience and efficiency, my friends. It's like having your very own cleaning maestro at your beck and call. It's equipped with smart sensors that detect obstacles, ensuring it gracefully maneuvers around your furniture, preventing any accidental collisions. No more dings on your precious coffee table, my friends. But let's talk about the real star of the show, its powerful scrubbing brushes. These bad boys mean business. They work tirelessly to scrub away dirt, grime, and even those stubborn stains that have been haunting your floors for ages. And here's the kicker. It does all of that without leaving any streaks or smudges. It's like magic. Oh, and did I mention the Shinebot W400 has an intelligent water tank system? That's right. No more manual water refills or guesswork. It knows exactly how much water is needed to get the job done, giving you optimal cleaning performance every time. You can even adjust the water flow to cater to different floor types. So whether you have hardwood floors, tiles, or laminate, the iLife Shinebot W400 is ready to tackle them all. Sit back, relax, and let this mop extraordinaire work its magic, giving you floors that will make your neighbors green with envy. Roborock S8 Pro. Now, let's move on to our next contender, the Roborock S8 Pro. Get ready to witness cleaning precision like never before. This sleek and futuristic-looking robot is a real game-changer in the world of floor cleaning. It's equipped with some serious intelligence that puts it ahead of the pack. First off, let's talk about its advanced mapping and navigation system. The Roborock S8 Pro uses cutting-edge laser mapping technology to create a detailed map of your home. It knows the layout like the back of its virtual hand, ensuring it never misses a spot. You can even set no-go zones and virtual boundaries to keep it away from areas you want to keep mop-free. But wait, there's more. The Roborock S8 Pro isn't just a mop, it's a multifunctional cleaning machine. With its interchangeable attachments, you can easily switch between mopping and vacuuming modes. That's right, it's a two-in-one cleaning dynamo. From tackling everyday dust and dirt to giving your floors a thorough mopping session, this versatile mop has got your back. And let's not forget about its impressive battery life. With a long-lasting battery, the Roborock S8 Pro can clean for hours without needing a recharge. It's perfect for larger homes or those days when you just want a truly deep clean. iLife V8s. Alright folks, we're rolling along to our next robotic mop sensation, the iLife V8s. This little powerhouse may be compact in size, but don't let that fool you. It's packed with features that'll make your cleaning routine a breeze. The iLife V8 uses advanced sensors to map out your home and navigate around obstacles with finesse. You won't have to worry about it getting stuck or falling down the stairs like some clumsy mops out there. It's got your back. But what really sets the iLife V8 apart is its versatility. Not only does it mop your floors, but it also doubles as a vacuum cleaner. That's right, it's a 2-for-1 deal. With its powerful suction capabilities, it effortlessly picks up dirt, dust, and pet hair, ensuring your floors are spick and span. So whether you have hardwood, tile, or carpeted floors, this little dynamo can handle it all. And here's the kicker. The iLife V8 is equipped with a large water tank and an adjustable water flow system. You can customize the amount of water dispensed to match the level of dirtiness on your floors. So, no more overly wet or too dry mopping sessions. It's all about finding that sweet spot for a perfect clean. With its sleek design and user-friendly controls, the iLife V8 makes mopping and vacuuming a breeze. It's like having a compact cleaning assistant that takes care of the dirty work, while you sit back and relax. Eufy RoboVac L70 Hybrid. Alright folks, let's keep the cleaning party going with our next contender, the Eufy RoboVac L70 Hybrid. This bad boy is here to revolutionize the way you clean your floors, with its cutting-edge technology and hybrid functionality. The Eufy RoboVac L70 Hybrid is armed with a robust suction power that effortlessly lifts dirt, debris, and even pesky pet hair from your floors. It's like having a tornado of cleaning power right in your living room. Not only does it vacuum, but it also mops. With its intelligent mopping system, it dispenses water evenly and effectively, giving your floors a thorough and refreshing clean. So whether you have hardwood, tile, or laminate floors, the Eufy RoboVac L70 Hybrid has got you covered. And here's where it gets really interesting. This mop is a tech lover's dream. It's equipped with advanced mapping and navigation technology, allowing it to create a detailed map of your home and clean in a systematic and efficient manner. You can even set up virtual boundaries and no-go zones, so it stays away from areas that you don't want mopped. Well, did I mention it has a smart home integration here? That's right, you can control the Eufy RoboVac with your voice through popular voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. Just sit back, relax, and let your voice do the cleaning commands. So if you're looking for a powerhouse vacuum and mop combo that embraces the latest technology, the Eufy RoboVac L70 Hybrid is definitely worth checking out. Narwal T10. Alright folks, we're on a cleaning spree with our last robot mop contender, the Narwal T10. Get ready to meet the future of floor cleaning with this innovative and intelligent mop. Now, what sets the Narwal T10 apart from the rest? Well, hold on to your seats, because this mop takes self-cleaning to a whole new level. That's right, after each cleaning session, the Narwal T10 automatically returns to its base station, where it empties its own dirt and refills its water tank. It's like having a little robotic janitor that takes care of its own mess. But that's not all. The Narwal T10 also features advanced mapping technology that creates a precise map of your home. It's equipped with AI-powered obstacle detection, so you won't have to worry about it bumping into furniture or getting stuck. Plus, you can customize cleaning zones and even schedule specific areas for a more targeted clean. It's all about giving you control over your cleaning routine. And here's the cherry on top. The Narwal T10 not only mops your floors, but it also has built-in vacuuming capabilities. It's a 2-in-1 cleaning powerhouse that tackles dirt, dust, and spills with ease. Whether you have hardwood, tile, or carpeted floors, this versatile mop has the tools to handle it all. With its sleek design, powerful cleaning performance, and innovative self-cleaning features, the Narwal T10 is a force to be reckoned with in the world of robot mops. And there you have it, folks, our top picks for the best robot mops of 2023. These mops are here to make your cleaning routine easier, more efficient, and dare I say, a little bit fun. So say goodbye to tedious floor cleaning and hello to a sparkling clean home with the help of these amazing robot mops. Remember, you can find the links to all the products mentioned in the description below. Let us know in the comments which one caught your eye, or if you have any other recommendations.